Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is Renowned Sculptures. Sculpture is the art of making three-dimensional work of art. ठीक है, sculpture क्या होते हैं? जो हम मूर्तियाँ बनाते हैं. So this is three-dimensional 3D work of art. Sculpture can be carved and chiseled and modeled and cast or constructed. Given below are the descriptions of some world famous sculptures. Write their names. So read the first one. This sculpture. The sculpture became famous after it appeared on the John Benedict bestseller book Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, and Savoia Shaw Judison made it in 1936. और कब फेमस हुआ था ये? जब ये एक बुक में आया था, Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil. So this is the statue of Savannah Bird Girl statue. So this is number 1. Savannah Bird Girl statue. Okay, help box से आप लिखोगे. Number 2 is, this is one of the Michelangelo masterpiece and this sculpture earns the top position in the list of the most famous sculpture of all items. ठीक है, सबसे top पर ये sculpture है and it was sculpted from a single piece of marble. एक single piece of marble से बनाया गया है. So this is, see the help box, statue of David, right? So this is statue of David. Next is, this statue is an ancient Greek statue. So this is number 3 is the discus thrower. So this is number 3. Discus है इसके हाथ में. So the discus thrower. Okay, next is, this statue is thought to be the work of Alexandros of Antioch from an inscription on its plinth, and it dates back to the 2nd century BC and is still one of the most famous statue of the world. So this is the statue of the Venus de Milo. So this is number 4. The Venus de Milo. Okay, this is the statue. Come to the next. It is a symbol of impartiality and this statue is seen in every court and legal office. So this is the statue of Lady Justice statue. So this is number 5. हर एक court में ये मिलता है statue, right? Next is, it is a masterpiece by Augustin Rodin and it was actually designed for the gates of hell but instead became a standalone sculpture. ठीक है, standalone sculpture की रूप में ये देखा जाता है. एक masterpiece है. So this is the thinker statue. So this is number 6. The thinker statue. देखो thinking की position में बैठे हैं तो thinker statue. Next is, the sculpture represents Virgin Mary holding the body of her son and Jesus Christ after death. It was the first of 2 sculptures by Michelangelo. So write down, this is number 7. Okay. Number 8. This statue is the only surviving work of the ancient Greek sculptor called Praxiteles, and it has set a standard for sculpting of facial features and hair. So this is the statue of Hermes. So this is number 8. And the fact bank, this you have to know, Karmat potpourri is perhaps the largest single source of the sculpture of India. So this is the chapter. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. एक बार फिर से इसको read करेंगे, then exercise की practice खुद करेंगे.